Amidst the high teenage pregnancy rate in Meghalaya, Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo has called for free and open discussion on this matter to eliminate the concerns. She said that the institutes in the states must have open and free discussion since the subject is linked to the health of women and girls. Asking NGOs to join hands with the government to deal with the challenge of teenage pregnancy, she said that the government will not compromise on the matter and it wants to ensure that the health of the teenagers are not affected due to this challenge.
There should be free and frank discussion in educational institutions on the matter of spreading the ill health of undesirable ones of individual, and you can only talk about it if you discuss it in a proper manner. Awareness could also be with the help of stakeholders, church, communities, different social organizations must all join hands with the government if we want this to be adequately understood down to the last man in the last village. It's a very difficult proposition. It